If you came here to learn how to look like you have your life together, even when you definitely don't, you're in the right place. Grab your hairbrush, your hairbands, your whatever. Girl, let's sit down and be real for a second. Listen, my hair's clearly a hot mess. My inbox is clearly unread. I don't know what's going on in there. My 5-year plan is literally just making it till Friday. But listen, let's do our hair and act like a high-functioning adult. Because listen, here's the thing. Everybody's genuinely faking it. Nobody actually has it figured out. We're all just winging it in high definition. So today I'm giving you the blueprint on how to fake confidence, master the low effort aesthetic, and look completely unbothered when life is absolutely chaos behind the scenes. Let's go. Let's start with the hair. Hair is genuinely like 80% of the heavy lifting for anybody. If your hair looks intentional, people automatically assume your credit score is literally like 800 and your bed is made every single day. When you want to learn how to put together, you need a go-to low maintenance hairstyle that looks expensive but literally takes like 10 minutes. For me, that will usually be a slick back bun. And when I say slick back bun, like, I don't mean that I'm giving myself tension alopecia and all them things. Like, all you need, you can see, I use my Demlin brush and a little bit of Eco Styler just to make sure it's in the right place. And you put your scarf on. Bob's your uncle, girl. But listen, genuinely, if you've got your hair done and even like a nice little pair of gold hoop earrings or little studs, genuinely, you will look so put together and like $1 million. Like $1 million, girl? I'm not even American. Who's American, girl? Anyways, what I was just trying to say is that it's all psychological visual cues, genuinely. But let's talk about the mental side of this, because, girl, why are we so obsessed with trying to figure out how to look like we have our life together in the first place? Like, who started this? Because social media genuinely has brainwashed us into thinking that everyone else is living a cute, aesthetic, romanticized, I don't know, living the best, like Nara Smith and that, like, you know what I'm saying? Waking up at 5 a.m, the green tea, journaling for 2 hours, going for a jog, going to Pilates. Like, genuinely, it is a lot. The clean walls, the minimalist this, minimalist that. Ugh. Girl, I turn around and I got the sink full of dishes, and genuinely, it feels like I'm failing. And I know you guys feel the same way. Like, but let me give you a reality check. The girl that's showing that, don't think that she's not edited out the part where she literally spilled everything, where she's got like a pile full of clothes in the corner, like behind her cute aesthetic situation set up. Like, you don't know, girl. Like, real glow ups come, like, they're not about transforming into this perfect person who never messes up. It's about accepting that life is messy, but learn how to carry yourself with confidence anyways. And the thing is, I think people are slowly starting to wake up and realize that, like, you don't actually want the cute aesthetic life. Like, it's perfection is genuinely exhausting and it's boring. Like, it's so boring. Right, let's get into some actionable steps. If you actually just, like, if you want to move past just faking it and you actually want some little habits to actually make you feel like you're doing something and you're not overwhelmed, girl, you just need a few little habits, and I'm gonna give them to you. Habit number 1, the 60-second rule. If a task takes less than 1 minute, putting your shoes back in the cupboard, hanging up your jacket, hanging up your towel, putting the dishes in the sink, girl, do it instantly. Chaos, mess, it compounds easily. When you let the small tasks build up, that is when you're genuinely overwhelmed as hell, and it feels like you have so much going on, and obviously you have anxiety and all those other fun stuff. So instead of letting all the little things build up, do all the little things and they won't build up. You'll feel so much better, I promise you. Habit number 2, listen, designate your crazy zones. Listen, we all have the zones. I mean, we all have mess in our lives. Like I said, no one's perfect. Allow yourself to just have that mess just a little bit. Say even like you have a one drawer where you don't have anything organized. Let that one drawer be chaotic. Let one room be chaotic. Not completely chaotic, because you don't want things to just completely be a disaster, but you know what I'm saying? Like, everything else in your house can be like so clear that it will help your mind be clear. It's not just about the outside world being clear. it's about your mental being clear. And that is the main thing that matters. When your environment looks clean, your brain is like, girl, yeah, I'm good to go. Like, you're good. Habit number 3. Listen, have you ever heard of capsule outfits? I need to get a few of these. I have like 2. I need some more to rotate for a few other things. But capsule outfits are literally just like, you don't need to be on trend all the time. You don't need to be wearing a certain thing. Listen, you don't need to be the first to create a new trend. Like, girl, it's not that deep, especially when you're running late. Listen, you need like between 3 to 5, I think that's a good amount. 3 to 5 specific looks that will just eat all the time and make you look put together. So even like just the basic like jeans and a white top. If that's your go-to, that's your go-to. What looks good on you? Try it out. I want to talk about how we carry ourselves in public, because being fake confident in public is actually crazy and it takes a lot. So a round of applause to you guys that do that, because it's crazy. Like, when you show up late or when something goes wrong, really notice how you react. Unbothered, put together people do not over-explain or overreact or get stressed out. If you're late because you couldn't find your keys or spilled your coffee or was stressing out with your zipper or something, girl, don't walk into the room giving a whole explanation of what happened. Girl, it's not that serious. Walk in, say thank you for waiting for me, thanks for your patience. Just have some, je ne sais quoi. Flip the energy instead of, girl, I'm late, until, oh no, I am late, but I'm polite and I'm professional. Also, girl, guard yourself up a bit. You don't need to tell everyone what's going on. You don't need to put on your Instagram story you're having an existential, girl, I can't even talk, but you're having a breakdown. Like, no, just let people think that you're just busy and you're grinding and you're thriving. Yeah. What you really need to remember is looking expensive or put together does not have to mean spending money that you don't have on luxury brands. Having real luxury is having a quiet, peaceful mind, decent sleep, and a good few sets of clothes that you know makes you feel good, and the ability to know that if things go wrong, it is what it is. You don't need to be perfect 24/7. It's genuinely okay to be happy and figure things out as you go. Like, life isn't all about a race, and that's what social media is making us feel like. Listen, I know we're a bit chaotic over here, but I tried to make sure this video was a bit more structured and to the point. So I hope you guys got some key takeaways from this video. And if this video felt like a genuine, relatable video that actually touched you guys and a reality check, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Girl, we'll be talking more like this in future videos. We love a good old sit down over here. And drop a unicorn emoji if you're figuring out as you go, because it's okay, girl. Like I said, everybody's faking it. So on that note, go protect your peace, look cute, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.